Welcome to Permacrafters class on zero waste body care.
A complete course on safe, eco-friendly body care and cosmetic products.
With over 4 hours of video tutorials and a 300-page e-workbook, you'll learn everything you wanted to know about zero waste face care, body care, hair care, dental care, makeup and nail polish, and basic herbal treatments for skin problems. I'm Christelle, an environmental educator with a background in natural resources management, sustainable development, and permaculture.
And I'm Christina, a concoctor of home beauty products, a hobbyist makeup artist. I'm passionate about skin and body care.
If you love DIY, we have over 50 of our favorite tried and tested home recipes to share with you. If you just want answers as to where to purchase the best zero waste alternatives, we share over 24 zero waste brands with you with products we've tested and vetted for safety and sustainability that are available in the States, Europe, and Australia. Here's what you'll learn in our online program. Our face care section walks you through how to find or make zero waste face cleansers, exfoliators, serums, pimple pastes, toners, face moisturizers, facial steams, face masks, and lip balms. Our body care section delves into bar soaps, body wash, moisturizers, bath treatments, foot care, massage oils, deodorants, and ear care. In the hair care section, we'll explore all sorts of zero waste shampoos and conditioners, hair masks, hair serums, hair teas, natural hair coloring options, zero waste hair accessories, and zero waste hair removal. In our dental care section, you'll discover the bamboo toothbrush, the Miswak, the zero waste electronic toothbrush alternative, floss options, toothpaste options, tongue scraper options, and mouthwash options. For makeup enthusiasts, we walk you through the top 24 zero waste brands, as well as our #winning mascara recipe and makeup remover. And finally, we end the class with herbal treatments for skin problems, where you'll learn how to make your own salves, poultices, and compresses.
We hope you will join the adventure.
And we look forward to seeing you in class.